Far away in the Indian Ocean lies Madagascar, an island unlike any other. Evolution created a remarkable group of animals found nowhere else on Earth, the lemurs. Deep inside Madagascar's forests, lemurs move through the trees with extraordinary agility. Their world is built among branches, leaves, fruits, and hidden forest pathways. Lemurs are primates, relatives of monkeys and apes, but they evolved separately on Madagascar. Today, many different lemur species occupy different habitats across the island. Lemurs come in many shapes and sizes. Some are tiny nocturnal animals, while others are much larger and spend their days traveling through the forest canopy. The famous ring-tailed lemur is easily recognized by its long black and white striped tail. Its tail is not used for gripping branches, but it plays an important role in balance and communication. Many lemurs are social animals. They live in groups where individuals interact, cooperate, compete, and learn from one another. Grooming is more than simple cleaning. It helps strengthen social relationships and keeps the group connected. Lemurs communicate using calls, body movements, facial expressions, scent, and physical contact. Each signal can carry important information. As morning arrives, many daytime lemurs begin searching for food. The forest suddenly fills with movement and calls. Lemurs use their sharp senses to locate food. They inspect leaves, flowers, fruits, and other edible resources scattered throughout their habitat. Fruit can provide valuable energy, especially when it is abundant. Lemurs carefully select food according to what their environment provides. When fruit becomes scarce, many species rely more heavily on leaves, flowers, shoots, and other plant material. Smell is extremely important to many lemurs. Scent can help them identify individuals, territories, reproductive status, and important locations. Some lemurs use scent marking to communicate with other members of their species. The forest becomes a chemical message board filled with invisible information. When ring-tailed lemurs travel together, their raised tails can make the group easier to follow through dense vegetation. Their tails also contribute to balance and visual communication. Strong limbs, flexible joints, and powerful hands and feet allow lemurs to move through complex forest environments. Sifakas are famous for their unusual movement. In the trees, they climb and leap, while on the ground, they can move with remarkable sideways hops. The Indri is one of Madagascar's largest living lemurs. Its powerful calls can travel great distances through the forest. Not every lemur is large. Mouse lemurs are among the smallest primates in the world, yet they are highly active and remarkably adapted to their environment. As darkness spreads across Madagascar, another side of lemur life begins. Several species become active after sunset. Some nocturnal lemurs search for insects, fruit, nectar, and other small food sources. Their large eyes help them navigate the darkness. In the night forest, hearing becomes especially valuable. A small sound can reveal food, another animal, or a potential threat.
Lemur infants depend heavily on their mothers during their early lives. Staying close provides warmth, protection, transportation, and access to food.
Young lemurs learn by watching. Every jump, call, feeding technique, and social interaction becomes part of their education. Play helps young lemurs develop coordination and social skills. Through these interactions, they practice the behaviors they will need as adults.
Grooming also strengthens the relationship between adults and youngsters. Social bonds can be essential to surviving life in a group.
Life in the forest is never completely safe. When danger approaches, lemurs may become suddenly silent, alert, or vocal. Predators such as birds of prey, carnivores, and snakes can threaten vulnerable lemurs. Staying alert is a constant part of survival. A warning from one animal can influence the entire group. Social living gives lemurs more eyes and ears to detect potential threats. When danger becomes immediate, speed and agility can make the difference. Lemurs can disappear into the forest canopy within moments. Some lemurs live in regions where water and food become difficult to find during dry seasons. Their survival depends on adapting to changing conditions. Depending on the species and habitat, lemurs may obtain water from natural sources or from the food they consume. For lemurs, the forest is more than shelter. It provides food, nesting places, travel routes, social spaces, and protection. By eating fruit and moving through the forest, lemurs can help disperse seeds. In this way, they contribute to the regeneration of their ecosystem. But Madagascar's forests face serious pressure from habitat destruction, agriculture, fires, and other human-driven changes. When forests disappear, lemurs lose food sources, shelter, and safe routes between populations. Fragmented habitats can make survival increasingly difficult. Protecting lemurs means protecting an extraordinary ecosystem. Their survival is closely connected with the survival of Madagascar's unique forests. Every new generation carries the future of its species. The lessons learned from parents and group members help young lemurs become capable adults. As another day ends, the forest continues its ancient rhythm. Calls fade into the distance, while lemurs settle into another night of survival. Lemurs are among Madagascar's most extraordinary treasures. Their unique behaviors make them symbols of a world found nowhere else. Protecting their forests means giving these animals a future in the wild.